So till now what we have done is that we have inserted the various duration for these activities. Now this is the next step. Even we have created the milestones. As you can see over here, it is represented by assigning 0 duration. Now next step is related to the creation of the entering recurring task. Recurring task is something which repeats maybe after some particular days of 4 days gap or 5 days gap, or maybe at the end of every month. One such type of recurring task is meeting. So now how to enter the recurring task, we will learn that part. So for entering the recurring task, first you should select where you want to enter the recurring task. So we will select the particular row. Maybe we will select the row about the before the substructure, and then once you have selected this particular row, then we will go to the insert tab at the top. We will click on this tab, and then you can see over here, this is the second option, recurring task. We will click on this recurring task. It will ask you to enter the name of recurring task. Suppose we insert it as meeting. So recurring task is consisting of daily, weekly, monthly and a yearly pattern. We will keep over here yearly and every week on, or we will consider every second, third, fifth or sixth week, but we will consider every week. And we can even fix the day on which you want to insert this recurring task. So we will consider it as suppose Monday or maybe Saturday. It will start on the 1st of May and it will go on recurring up to the end of the project, and then we will click on OK. Non-working times, project can reschedule. So there are some of the alerts related to it. Yes, we will click on OK. And this is how we have inserted the recurring task before the substructure. The recurring task over here is meeting, and till the project lasts it will occur on every Monday. So it is the process of inserting the recurring task. Again, if you want to enter any other recurring task at particular location, you need to select the particular row, then again go to the insert and then click on the recurring task and fill the required information, and then click on the OK so as to insert it. So now we have learned about inserting the various tasks, assigning the duration, and then inserting the recurring task too.